Hey guys, it's Podcast Salmon here. Today we're going to be crucifying watermelon on a cross. This is a picture of a watermelon. This is also a picture of a watermelon. In case you didn't know, due to recent events, I have not been posting because a watermelon killed my pet seagull. Now, because of this, I will be mercilessly throwing watermelon into a compost pile for the next hour. However, I do commend this watermelon. It made the seagull taste very good. Today, we mourn the loss of my great friend, my pet seagull, and we yeet the watermelon out of oblivion. Let us have a moment of silence for him. Thank you for all you coming today. Please leave a like on the video. Thank you. Catch you on the flip side. Goodbye.